Hey guys, and welcome back to Akshunashi. So for this week's video, I'm going to be sharing to you guys how to make a very easy doll cookies, Halloween inspired, so let's get started. You want to start by taking a cream colored piece of paper, and then using a pencil, you want to trace out any sort of Halloween cookie that you'd like. I'm going to be doing a ghost. And then I'm gonna cut it out. So this is going to be your template to make more cookies. Now you're gonna take another piece of that same cream colored paper and trace your template on it. Then, using a glue stick, add some glue at the back of your piece of paper. And then taking another piece of cream colored paper, just glue it on top. And then I just repeated by gluing it one more time, so I have 3 layers of paper now. Then, using a pair of scissors, you just want to cut it out. So this is how thick the cookie looks so far. You can leave it like that, but I want my cookie to be a little bit more thicker. So I'm just gonna glue on some more layers of paper. So this took me about 10 layers of paper, and I really like the thickness, so I'm just gonna leave it. Then I flipped over my cookie to like the pencil side and glued it onto another piece of paper, cut it out, and now both sides of your cookie will be nice and clean. And now it's time for my favorite part, the icing. So I just went ahead and took some orange paint because, I don't know, it just gives me some Halloween vibes, the color orange. And using a paintbrush, I just went in with this base color. And very slowly and very carefully, I painted my cookie with the icing, leaving a little sort of border on the edge of my cookie. By the way, you can choose any color you want. I just thought orange was really nice, but you can use any other Halloween colors that you'd like. Once you've done your sort of base color, then you want to take more paint and you want to add a nice thick layer so it really looks like icing. So now that I'm all done, obviously you want to let your cookie dry. Make sure it dries nice and well. Okay guys, so my cookie is dried, and as you can see, I actually made 2 more, one with black icing and the other one with white icing. Now I decided to make a sort of cookie box, so you just want to make a cuboid net. So I just drew my squares on my cuboid net is 4 centimeter by 4 centimeter. So it's pretty easy to draw it. All you want to do is draw a plus, but with cubes, like a 3D plus. And after you've done your plus, you just want to add one extra sort of cube at the bottom, and you're all done. And then now we're going to add some tabs. So it's very easy. You just need to draw 3 tabs around every single square. Now you want to cut it out. Then you want to fold on all of the lines that we just marked. And using a glue stick, you want to add some glue on the tabs and glue them together. I did have to cut out a few of the extra tabs, and now your box is done and it can close and open. You just need to be a little careful with it because it's made of paper. Obviously, you can't fill this whole box with cookies, so I'm just gonna take this like tissue paper and I'm just gonna scrunch it together, and then I'm gonna roll the bottom just like that. And last thing you need to do is place your cookie on top. And now you're all done with your Halloween cookies for your dolls. I hope you enjoyed, and please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, and happy Halloween!